Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched me towards the land of my people as a governor. While I was returning from there, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was laying over at Abtah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abdullah bin Qais, have you come intending the Hajj? I replied, yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He inquired, what did you pronounce? I replied, I pronounced Labbaik, I am present, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and put on the pilgrim garb as you donned. He asked, have you brought the sacrificial animal along with you? I replied, no, I have not brought it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, perform the circumambulation of the Kaaba, march in between Safa and Marwa, then take off the ihram. So I did so until a woman of Banu Qais combed my hair, and we would do the same up to the reign of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4346.